to maintain the trust and confidence of the community that it serves. Trust. Confidence of the community that it serves. To fulfill its noble and democratic ideals in Greek. I hereby pledge to conduct myself in a manner